Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your mikrotik router with zero configuration to connect to the internet. First, connect your laptop to internet from any source. In my case, I just connect from my own Wi-Fi. Then you must go to mikrotik.com/download. Then select the version of mikrotik you want to download. I have my Windows 11 64-bit, so I will choose and click 64-bit. After that, plug the end of the internet cable to your laptop or desktop, which is connected from port number 2 on your mikrotik router. Then, navigate to Download folder, and click mikrotik which you have downloaded earlier. If you didn't see your device, just click Neighbors. Then click the MAC address of your mikrotik router. Assuming that you can access your mikrotik device, let's log in, so that we can reset the modem to zero configuration. Go to System, Reset Configuration, check this 2 boxes, and click Reset. If you cannot access it, just unplug the power adapter to power off your modem. Then hold the reset button and plug the power on. If the USR LED blinks, release the reset button. Blinking indicates that it has reset the device. Let's wait until it completely reboot. Notice the password. By default it has a blank password. Then click Connect. If change password prompt will appear, then update your new password. For simplicity, I just use easy password since this is a demo. I will just use 1, 2, 3, 4. But for you, use a strong password that you can remember always. I will close the Winbox and open it again, and log in using our updated password. First, notice the IP address. It has 0 values, as it has zero configuration on it, and cannot obtain IP address from our ISP. Let's input my updated password, which is different from yours, and click Connect. We are now inside of our router. We need to open a terminal to check if we are connected to internet. Let's just input ping 8.8.8.8 and hit enter. It says, no route to host. So we are not connected to the internet. As it has zero configuration on it, we will just press Ctrl+C to stop the ping on terminal. Next, we will connect our router to the internet. For me, to avoid a waiting time, I will first go to IP, Firewall, Click NAT tab. Then click Add button. For chain, it should be SRC NAT. For out interface, it should be Ether 1. Click Action, then select Masquerade. Click Apply. Click OK. Now we need to enable the DHCP client. Click IP, and click DHCP client. Click Add button. Select Ether 1 for interface, which you must have plugged already. The Internet cable from ISP modem to port 1 of your mikrotik router. Click Apply. Click OK. Now we can see that it has obtained IP address. Let's check if the router is now connected to the Internet. Go to New Terminal and type ping google.com, and hit Enter. Ping has returned the IP of Google server, means your router is now connected to the Internet. Let's close to exit the terminal. Next, we will connect our laptop to the Internet, which is connected to Ether 2 on our router. Let's configure it. First go to Bridge. Click Add button and create Bridge 1. Click Apply. Click OK. Then let's provide IP for the Bridge 1 we created earlier. Go to IP, click Addresses. In Address List, click Add button. 192.168.10.1/24. Select Bridge 1. Click Apply. Click OK. We have successfully created and provided IP on our Bridge 1. Now let's provide Internet for the Bridge 1. To do so, let's create a DHCP server. Go to IP, and click DHCP server. Click DHCP, and click DHCP Setup. Select Bridge 1. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. We have created a DHCP server for our Bridge 1. Now we will add the Ether 2 to the Bridge 1, so that our laptop can receive Internet. Go to Bridge. Click Ports. Click Add button. For interface, we will add Ether 2 which our laptop is connected to. For the bridge, let's select Bridge 1. Click Apply. Click OK. After that, your laptop should have internet connected. Let me check mine. I am now connected to the internet. Now let's configure the WLAN for Wi-Fi connection. Go to Interfaces. Click WLAN 1, and click the check button to enable it. Double-click again the WLAN 1. From WLAN 1 interface, click Wireless tab. Select the A/P bridge for mode. For band setting, if you have BGN, then select it, so that the old and new Wi-Fi devices can connect to it. Two GHz is unlicensed frequency. Means everybody can use it. To avoid such noise, mikrotik has option to scan the usage frequency. Let's scan the frequency and choose the lowest usage. Click Frequency Usage tab. WLAN 1 is selected as default. Let's click Start. Now we can see the lowest usage of frequency. Just close the frequency scanner and remember the lowest frequency. Then let's change the frequency setting on our WLAN 1 interface, based on scan result. After that, we will change our SSID. I will change it to Glen Wi-Fi. On the security profile, let's leave it as default. As of now, we don't want people to use password on connecting to the hotspot. Click Apply. Click OK. We already have configured the wireless. We need to put IP address of WLAN. Go to IP. Then click Addresses. Then click Add button. 192.168.30.1/24. For interface, select WLAN 1. Click Apply. Click OK. We have now assigned IP address on our Wi-Fi interface. Let's provide internet for WLAN 1, so that any Wi-Fi devices can have internet when connected. First, go to Bridge. Click Ports. Then click Add button. For interface we want to add, select WLAN 1. Click Apply. Click OK. For the bridge, select Bridge 1. We will now try to connect to Glen Wi-Fi as configured earlier. To check if we can browse the internet, go to Settings. Click Network and Internet. Enable Wi-Fi, if it is disabled. Then click Show Available Networks. Click Glen Wi-Fi, and connect. It has no password, so it will connect automatically. Then, I will just unplug my UTP cable, which is connected to Ether 2, so that Wi-Fi icon will appear. Let's try to browse Facebook. We are now connected to the internet again using our Wi-Fi connection. But the problem is, it is available to all people. Let's safeguard it with a password. I will be automatically disconnected to the internet when enabling security on Wi-Fi network. But first I will just plug again my UTP cable to the laptop, 'cause I don't want any internet cut off. Go to Wireless. Double-click Security Profiles. Click Add button. You can choose any name. For me, Profile 1 is fine. In Mode, select Dynamic Keys. Then check WPA and WPA2PSK. Then type your desired password. Click Apply. Click OK. Next, go to Wireless. Then click Wireless Interfaces. Double-click WLAN 1. On Wireless tab in WLAN 1, go to Security Profile, and select the profile we created earlier. In my case, the Profile 1. Click Apply. Click OK. That's it. We are now connected again to the internet in a secured Wi-Fi connections. In the next video, I will show you how to configure a mikrotik router Wi-Fi vending with a voucher and make money out of it.